Lesson 3 The Cat and the Squirrel. Test reading विषय पठन. There was a squirrel.
गुंडुची मूषाटीए थिला.
He had a very long tail.
तार एक लंबा लांजो थिला.
One day the squirrel was eating grains.
दिने गुंडुची मूषाटी शस्य खाउथिला.
A cat took away its tail.
बिडारीटी तार लांजो नहीं पळाइला. एक विशेष सूचना. नमस्कार एतद्वारा समस्त विद्यार्थी मानकु सूचई दिया जाउछि कि आपण माने नूतन दर्शक होइथिबारु प्रथमे नाली अक्षर रे थिबा सब्सक्राइब बटन टिकु टिपंतु तापरे सब्सक्राइब पाखरे थिबा बेल आइकन घंटी टिकु दबाई दियंतु शेषरे ऑल लेखा होइथिबा घंटी टिकु टिपि दियंतु।
एभली करिबा द्वारा आपण आमर समस्त शिक्षा प्रोग्राम देखि परिबे। The squirrel hopped, then jumped and went to the cat and said, "Cat, cat, give me my tail back."
गुंडुची मूषा एक गोड़िका डेइला तापरे कुदा मारिला एवं बिलेई निकटी को जाई कहिला, बिलेई बिलेई मते मो लांजो फेराई दियो।
Cat, "No, I am very hungry. Go to the cow and get me some milk."
बिलेई, ना मो बहुत भोकिला अछि, गाय पाखकु जाओ एवं मते किछि क्षीर आनी दियो।
So the squirrel first hopped, then jumped and went to the cow and said, "Cow, cow, give me some milk. I will give the milk to the cat and the cat will give me my tail back."
तेणु गुंडुची मूषा प्रथमे एक गोड़िकिया डेइला तापरे कुदा मारिला एवं गाय पाखकु जाई कहला, गाई गाई मते किछि क्षीर दियो, मो क्षीर बिलेई को देबी एवं बिलेई मते मो लांजो फेराई दबो।
The cow said, "No, I am hungry. Give me some grass."
गाय कहला, ना मो भोकिला अछि, मते किछि घास दियो।
So the squirrel hopped, then jumped and brought some grass for the cow. The cow gave him some milk.
तेणु गुंडुची मूषाटी एक गोड़िके डेइला तापरे कुदा मारिला एवं गाय पाई किछि घास आनिदेला, गाय ताकू किछि क्षीर देला।
He gave the milk to the cat and the cat gave him his tail back.
से बिलेई को किछि क्षीर देला एवं बिलेई ताकू तार लांजो फेराई देला।
Comprehension questions बोध परिमापक प्रश्नावली. What is the story about गपटी काहा विषय रे?
The story is about a cat and a squirrel.
Who are there in the story? गपरे किए सबु अछंती?
There are a squirrel, a cat and a cow in the story.
What bring the cat? Ask the squirrel to bring. बिलेटी गुंडची मूषा को कौन आनिया पे कहिला?
The cat asked the squirrel to bring some milk for her.
What did the cow ask the squirrel to bring? गाय गुंडची मूषा को कौन आनिया पे कहिला?
The cow asked the squirrel to bring some grass for her.
Did the squirrel finally get his tail back? गुंडची मूषा शेषरे तार लांजो फेरी पाइले कि?
Yes, the squirrel finally got his tail back.
Bicycle. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Tell me the names of the parts of a bicycle. मते केतोटी साइकिल पार्ट्स नाम कहलो?
Handle, seat, pedal, chain.
Brake, bell, tire, tube.
Seat cover, mudguard, rim, stand.
Lock, key, basket, carrier.
Pedal cover, chain cover.
Say some bicycle related words. साइकिल संपर्कित केतोटी शब्द कहिलो?
Pump, leak, patch.
Speed, accident, police. Lesson 2 School विद्यालय. When you think of a school, which words come to your mind? जेतेबेले तुमे गोटे विद्यालय विषय भाव तुम मन को केउ सब शब्द आसे?
Sir, madam, teacher, headmaster, peon, student.
Class, chair, table, bench, desk, blackboard, chalk, duster.
Book, pen, pencil, rubber, routine, map, globe.
Gate, garden, tubewell, midday meal. Comprehension questions. बोध शक्ति परिमाप का प्रश्न. What is the name of your school? तुम विद्यालय नाम कौन?
The name of my school is Orissa State Brigade School.
How many teachers are there in your school? तुम विद्यालय केते जन शिक्षक अछंती?
There are 5 teachers in our school.
What is the name of your headmaster? तुम प्रधान शिक्षक का नाम कौन?
The name of our headmaster is Ajay Sahu.
How many students are there in your school? तुम विद्यालय केते जन छात्र छात्री अछंती?
There are 100 students in our school.
Do you like your school? तुम्हें तुम स्कूल को भलो पाओ कि?
Yes, I like my school very much.
Lesson 3 Food and Drinks. खाद्य और पानीय. Name some food and drinks. केतोटी खाद्य पदार्थर एवं पानीयर नाम कहलो देखि.
Cake, bread, biscuit, ice cream.
Mixture, tea, coffee, cold drink.
Water bottle, apple, tomato, egg.
Egg curry, chocolate, chewing gum.
Omelette, sweets, salad.
Comprehension question. बोध परिमाप का प्रश्न. What do you want to drink? तुम्हें कौन पीबा को इच्छा करो?
I want to drink cold drinks.
What fruits do you like? तुम्हें केउं सब फल को भलो पाओ?
I like apple, orange and